Okay, here's the second update on the whiteboard erasing robot. So right now I have this camera. It's a Logitech C920 tripod mounted, and it's faced perpendicularly to the board, roughly speaking. The idea is that you have the whiteboard completely visible to the camera, and the distance doesn't quite matter at this time. Maybe you can play around with it later to figure out what provides better performance. But let me show you the program. So I wrote this program script here. I gotta adjust to that lighting. Okay. So this Python script is basically a diagnostics tool. It's written with OpenCV libraries, and I'm also playing with, T-Kinter? Yes. That will be implemented later to build a GUI, but for now I just have a diagnostics tool. So why don't I show you what this does. So, okay. So if you take a look at this video here, it's showing in real time as the whiteboard is tracing the edge of the, the robot is tracing the edge of the whiteboard. And you can kind of see that right here. We'll trace it. And this takes a little time, but you can kind of see what it's doing. I applied some image processing to this to make the image cleaner. It's basically keeping track of the brightest spot in the image right now, and so that's what that bright LED is. So as it's moving around, it's constantly keeping track of that pixel. So like I said, I applied some image processing tools, applied some Gaussian blur to it, just to eliminate some of the noise that might cause problems when it's trying to figure out what the brightest pixel is. So you're just about time to see what's going to happen here. Okay, as it reaches the bottom right corner. There we go. So you can see that the whiteboard is separated from the rest of it. So this is really our image of interest at this point. So when we'll use this region to do all of our calculations and try to figure out what text is inside the whiteboard, and it just makes it easier to compute vector when we're trying to figure out where to direct the robot to. So that's all I have right now. Thanks for watching.